exploring materials for space living.
Creating homes in space requires materials that are strong, lightweight, and resistant to harsh environments. Unlike on Earth, these materials must protect against radiation, temperature extremes, and micrometeoroids, while being easy to transport or manufacture far from home. Engineers and scientists are working on innovative solutions to meet the unique challenges of building safe, comfortable habitats for space settlers.
Regolith, building with Moon and Mars soil.
Regolith is the loose, dusty layer covering the surface of the Moon and Mars. Future space colonies may use regolith to create bricks, tiles, or concrete-like materials for construction. By using local resources instead of shipping everything from Earth, settlers can build structures that are sturdy, protective, and cost-effective, while also reducing the need for heavy rocket cargo.
3D printing, house construction of the future.
The 3D printing technology is set to transform building in space. Automated printers can use regolith and other available materials to layer up walls, roofs, and support structures. This approach can produce complex shapes and reduce the need for human labor in dangerous environments. 3D printing also lets settlers repair or upgrade their homes quickly using local resources.
High-tech materials, metals, polymers, and composites.
Materials like aluminum alloys, advanced polymers, and carbon fiber composites are important for space colonies. These substances are strong, lightweight, and can withstand radiation. Transparent polymers could be used in windows, while metals reinforce structures. Combining these high-tech materials with local resources creates habitats designed for both safety and comfort.
Self-healing and smart materials.
Smart materials are being developed that can repair themselves after small impacts, like from micrometeorites. Others can change their properties in response to environmental shifts, such as adjusting insulation or letting in more light. These innovations could help keep future space homes safe and durable with minimal human intervention.
Looking ahead, the future of space habitat construction.
Building homes beyond Earth will depend on blending local materials, advanced 3D printing, and smart material technology. As research continues, future space settlers may live in habitats that are safer, more adaptable, and built largely from the soil beneath their feet. The science behind these materials is paving the way for sustainable, long-term life in space.